आप सुन रहे हैं समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया की साई न्यूज में ऑडियो बुलेटिन।
You are listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India on 2nd September 2020. The headlines are: India asks the China in discipline and control for its frontline troops. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh the embark on the third day visit the Russia today. India endorses for the trustworthy and the reliable supply chain in the Indo-Pacific region. U.S. diplomat says the America eager to help the India become a world power. Coal India to invest over 1.22 lakhs crore rupees on the 500 project by 2023-24. The Supreme Court gives the telecom companies 10 years to pay the 1.4 lakhs crore rupees AGR due to the government. Dues to the government and submit the Nagla storms into the second round of the US Open. Now news in detail. The India has said the China army carry out the proactive acts of the 29th, 30th and 31st August. Even the talks for the defuse and tension went on. The response on the media and the query recent the development and the India-China border areas. External Affairs Minister spokesperson Anurag Srivastava said India has taken the matter for the recent the proactive for the aggressive action with the Chinese and said through the both the diplomatic and the military channel. He said the India has urged to term the discipline and control there the frontline troops and the undertaking such the provocative actions. India and China have been the closely engaged through the diplomatic and the military channels over the past 3 months and the resolve the situation along the India-China border. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh will be leave for the Moscow today on the third day of the Russia to attend the Shanghai Cooperation Organization SCO. Defense Minister meet the Mr. Singh and visit the Moscow at an invitation for the Russia Defense Minister General Sergei Shoigu and will also take the part of meeting the Collective Security and the Treaty Organization CSTO and the Commonwealth and Independent States CIS during his visit. Defense Minister also scheduled a meet for the Russian counterpart to discuss the bilateral cooperation and issues the mutual interest. Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal has said that India has wholeheartedly toward the ensuring the trustworthy, dependable and reliable supply chain to India-Pacific region. He said the diversification of the supply chain to the critical and the managing risks associated with the supply of the inputs, including discipline and the price volatility. The Goyal was addressing the ministerial level meeting and supply chain into the Indo-Pacific region. Coal India Limited CIL will invest over the 1.22 lakhs crore rupees on the development on nearly the 500 projects related to the coal evaluations, infrastructure project development, explorations and the clean coal technologies in the country. The investment aim make the self-reliant in the term of the coal and achieve for the production target the 1 million tons by the 2023 to 2024. Addressing on the stockholder meeting organization by the CIL, the Coal and Mine Minister Prahlad Joshi has innovated for the concern and the stockholder in the company's affair will the do and the uncover project risks. He informed that the National Minerals CIL will invest around the 40,200 crore over the next 3 to 4 years in 2 phases: the 49 first mile connectivity project and the first mile connectivity transportation of the coal port from the paths and the dispatch points. The Supreme Court has given the telecom companies 10 years to clear AGR that adjusts the gross revenue dues of the around 1.43 crore rupees to the center. A bench of the Justice Arun Mishra and the Abdul Nazir and the Mr. Shah agree with the center the appeal and the statutory payment operation given by the Bell and out the company. The current, however, made for the clear company over the pay and dues without the further review as the granted in the form the 10 years window. Union Communication and IT Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad has said the founder and the head of the social media platform Facebook to come up and the country Pacific Community Guideline for the better representation of the delivery views. In a letter written, the Facebook CEO, the Mark Zuckerberg, for the ministry raised the serious concern regarding the approach the Facebook India management in the 2019 general election and the concern effort by the Facebook management the country during the last general election the page and the substantially the reduce the outer track the post which are the supportive the right of the center ideology. Mr. Prasad said the conclusion for the group of the Facebook employees and international media is given the free run the mail votes to visit the interest cast and the aspiration on the democracy process of the country. The recovery rate of among the COVID-19 patients has further improved. Now it has reached for the 76.94% and it lasts the 24 hours. 65,081 COVID patients have recorded where the discharge for the hospital, and the health ministry said the total number of recovery has reached 28,39,882. The guideline issued by the government for the unlock 4 came for the force yesterday. It will remain in the force till the September the 30th. The Home Ministry on the Saturday issued the new guideline for the opening up more activity in the area outside the containment zone as a part of Unlock 4. You were listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle on 2nd September 2020. If you like this bulletin, then you must be like it, subscribe and share it. Till then, goodbye.
आइए हम आपको आज बताते हैं कि किस तरह से आपको लिमटी की लालटेन समाचार एजेंसी इंडिया या साई न्यूज़ को सब्सक्राइब करना है। आपके पास यूट्यूब होगा, आप यूट्यूब खोलिए। यूट्यूब में आप सर्च बटन पर ऊपर जाइए, ऊपर सर्च बटन पर आप टाइप करिए LIMTY स्पेस दीजिए KHARE। इसके बाद आप एंटर दबाइए। जैसे ही आप एंटर दबाते हैं तो ये पेज खुल जाएगा। यहाँ पेज में आप देखिएगा ये इस तरीके का नज़ारा आपको दिखेगा। इसके साथ ही आप यहाँ देखिए LIMTY KHARE आपको लिखा दिख रहा है। इसके बाजू में आप राइट साइड में देखिएगा यहाँ सब्सक्राइब बटन दिख रहा है। ये सब्सक्राइब बटन अभी लाल रंग का दिख रहा है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को आपको क्लिक करना है। जैसे ही आप ये सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करेंगे आप देखिए इसका रंग लाल नहीं रह जाएगा। ये आपने सब्सक्राइब की जगह सब्सक्राइब्ड लिखा आ गया, आपने इसको सब्सक्राइब कर लिया है, पर अभी आपका काम पूरा नहीं हुआ है। अभी आपको इसके बाजू में आप देखिए एक घंटी का बटन आपको दिख रहा है। ये घंटी का बटन आपको दिख रहा है। ये घंटी का बटन आप इसको अगर घंटी के बटन को प्रेस करेंगे तो 3 ऑप्शन आते हैं, ऑल, पर्सनलाइज्ड और नन। तो इसमें आपको ऑल बटन को पुश करना है। आप जैसे ही आप देखिएगा ये ऑल बटन पुश करते हैं, ये हाईलाइटेड हो जाती है घंटी। इसके बाद जितने भी समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया पर वीडियोस डलेंगे सारे के सारे वीडियोस आपको तुरंत दिख जाएंगे, देखने को मिल जाएंगे। ये हम आपको जो दिखा रहे हैं किस तरीके से आपको समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया को की चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है। ये पर्सनलाइज्ड और उसके बाद सब्सक्राइब बटन दबाइए, लाल के बाद वो लाल रंग नहीं